got 2 layouts out of the last pull for my mystery box. So let's see what I get this time. Pulling it out, and oh, I have yet to play with this. And oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. So this is part of the color collection, and this is Indigo by Ciao Bella, and I got this from a local scrapbooking store and like fell in love with the colors and the themes and that kind of thing. I have scrapbooked my 1920s retreat, so that's kind of out. Let's see, and the reason I haven't used this is because it's just not my typical style. I might have to go through my color binder. I guess I could talk about ginkgo leaves, but that's kind of boring, especially when I have all of these that I can cut with my Scan and Cut, and I also have the 6x6 pad, and I got the 6x6 pad because of all of the ephemera pieces that you can cut from it. So, oh, this reminds me, there is a new collection that just came out by Stamperia that I actually almost bought. I think it's called Masquerade. It has the same vibes as this does. So I'm glad I didn't buy it because I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. I'm thinking it might be easier to do a listing page with this, but man, do I want to use it. I really do. Okay, and then I bought a rice paper because I've never used rice paper before. And this is what I was talking about the other day. I did an cherry on top haul video with the new Starlight Dreams from 49 Market. And they did the dark blue with the gold, but they chose not to do this sparkly gold. And I appreciate that because this does not translate well to printed paper. I don't like this glob that's supposed to look sparkly. I would rather it just not look sparkly. It's supposed to look glittery is what their goal is. That's kind of nice. It is just kind of like a base page already. Live the life you've imagined. Maybe that's what my journaling can be. I have used this because I used this part right here and a part over here for something, but I don't remember what it was, but I used this. The most beautiful things are not seen, but only felt by the heart. So we'll see what happens. I might pull a photo. I might do a list with me page. I'm more focused, I think, on the list that I can pull off. And I really don't want to, this has the ephemera on it, and I don't want to sacrifice this page for that ephemera. Man, that's kind of a bummer. I really don't want to sacrifice this page. Dream it, wish it, do it. A dream is your wish your heart makes. That's cute. That's from Cinderella. Oh, that's nice. They're cards on both sides. So maybe I take one of these and I translate it into a list. We'll see what happens. Since I pulled in some extras for my last couple layouts, I do want to try to pull in something extra. And I think buttons is what I want to use. Because look at all of my gold I have here. But buttons are not flat, so I won't be able to do a journaling page. So let's find something that's flat that I can use for this. Maybe I pull some washi. I have some gold washi here. And this is how I store the majority of my washi. Is I've taken them off the rolls and put them on like a 4x3 card. And this really is great. Now I have not finished it. So I do have, these are from Target, drawers for my washi. But here's my gold, and I'm not really seeing anything else that I can use with this collection. So I might just pull the gold, and then I have another gold back there. Let's pull that out, and I'll add it to that. Not sure where that one came from. Okay, and then if I do a scrapbook page, I'll use my buttons. So stay tuned for the next installment of Mystery Box, where we do a project with this paper. I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.